Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset CitiBank password. So if you also want to reset CitiBank password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of CitiBank. For that, simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in online.citi.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of CitiBank. From here you'll be able to sign on to your account. All you have to do is provide your user ID and password. After that you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account, you can click on the option register, and after that you'll be able to register for the CitiBank account. But if you have forgotten your password and if you want to recover it, over here you'll be able to find the option for forgot user ID or password. Simply click on the password option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is enter your account information over here. You can see over here, first of all, you'll have to select an account type. You can see several options over here: bank or credit card customers, mortgage applicants only, small business administration paycheck protection program customers, certificate of deposit only customers, brokerage only customers, personal loan only customers. Simply click on the option of your choice. After that, what you have to do is enter the information. For example, if you choose the first option, that is bank and or credit card customers, you'll have to enter the ATM or debit or credit card number. Simply enter the information. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you have to verify that this is your account. For that, you'll have to answer few questions over here. You have to select one of the following from here. I am the primary card member of this account. I am an authorized user of this account. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter the CVV or CID. Simply enter it. Now what you have to do is select one of the following. You can see three options over here: date of birth, last four of SSN or ITIN, security word. Simply click on the option of your choice. For example, if you click on the option date of birth, over here you'll have to enter your date of birth. If you click on the option last four of SSN or ITN, you'll have to enter that over here. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see right over here. After that, your account will be verified and you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll be able to enter the new password. Now your password will be changed. Next time when you log into your account, make sure to enter the recovered password. So that is how you reset your password on CitiBank. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.